Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well today. Just wanted to check in. Today we're doing or not today, this week we're doing sexuality throughout the lifespan, as well as thinking about how teens should or shouldn't be taught about sex. So I'm going to have you guys take your opposing viewpoint. So if you, once you've gotten through the material, right, you're going to look through all the material. You're going to argue the opposite viewpoint that you truly believe. So, should teens be taught sexual information about contraception, about protecting themselves, about all of that? Or should they be taught abstinence only programs? So, that's just kind of for you to have fun with and think about what you think you believe right now and then argue the opposite and then see how that, if anything, changes in your thought processes after. So you don't have a lot to do this week. There's just a couple PowerPoints on kind of the lifespan, and so I want you to pay attention to that and then answer one question, and then I'll have you take the opposing viewpoint for your second part of your post. So make sure you're doing the whole post, don't just do part of it. All right? Thanks. Hope you're having a good week. Talk to you soon. Bye.